Transform your ThinkPad into a full desktop setup by connecting it to a Lenovo docking station. First, ensure your ThinkPad is compatible, typically requiring a USB-C or Thunderbolt port found on models with Intel 11th through 14th Gen or AMD Ryzen 6000 and newer processors. Connect the dock to your laptop using the provided USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Next, plug in your peripherals, such as monitors, keyboard, and mouse, into the dock's available ports. Finally, install Lenovo Vantage software. This will auto-configure your connected devices, optimizing performance and pushing firmware updates for bug fixes. A reboot may be necessary after installation. Lenovo docks support up to 3 4K monitors at 60 Hz or a single 8K display via HDMI or DisplayPort, enhancing productivity. Key features include USB-AC ports, Ethernet, HDMI, DisplayPort, audio jacks, and SD card slots for expanded connectivity. The docking station provides power management by charging your laptop while simultaneously powering connected devices. If you encounter issues, check cable connections and update drivers via Lenovo System Update. Newer docks feature AI-assisted setup via Lenovo Vantage, automatically detecting and configuring connected peripherals for optimal performance.